Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Engineering Textbook. So our today's topic of discussion is actuators. An actuator is a device that makes something move or operate. So in hydraulic and pneumatic circuit, actuator is a main component of the circuit. So it is very important for drawing the circuit. Every one of us take advantage of at least one actuator every day. So let us look at some example of actuators. Grocery store door. When we go to the grocery store, the door opens automatically for us. An actuator makes this door open. We can move the car seat forward or backward before we drive away in our car. An actuator makes this seat to move. So, there are two types of actuators, linear actuator and rotary actuator. Linear actuator can move something in a straight line, also referred as linear. And rotary actuator can make something move in circular motion, also referred as rotary. So let's see types of linear actuators. There are two types. First is single acting cylinder and second is double acting cylinder. These are the types of linear actuator. Single acting cylinder. It consists of a cylinder body with a port, piston rod and a spring. So the pressurized oil enters into the cylinder through port. The pressure force will pushes the piston from left to right in direction, also known as power stroke, which compresses the spring. The useful amount of work is done through the end of the piston. Then the flow of oil stops. The naturally compressed spring will expand and pushes the piston from right to left, and the oil will move from outward from port P. During the movement of piston, used oil is pushed out through the port P and oil returned to the oil tank. Now again, the pressurized oil enters into this cylinder through port P and the cycle repeats. This was about the single acting cylinder. Let's see double acting cylinder. It also consists of a cylinder body but with two ports, port A and port B. Piston rod. Here the pressurized oil move from cylinder to port A. The pressure force pushes the piston towards the right side to perform useful work. Here there is no spring. Now, after performing useful work in the end of the piston rod, to move piston from right to left, we have to pass the pressurized oil from port B. So, the pressurized oil will enter from port B, moving the piston towards the left direction and removing the oil from port A. This was about the double acting cylinder. Again, the cycle repeats. Symbols. This was single acting cylinder with spring and double acting cylinder with two ports. Here is this symbol of single and double acting cylinder. In single acting cylinder, there is a cylinder body with piston and piston rod and a spring with only one port. And in double acting cylinder, there is a cylinder body, piston and piston rod with two ports. So this was all about the actuators used in pneumatic and hydraulic circuits. That's all for today. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.